Hello travellers, so today we're taking a look at the Quechua Ultra Compact 20-litre dry bag. When I first ordered this bag, I thought that I was going to be getting a dry bag, kind of like the cedar cement ones that I'm used to, which would be made from a sort of plasticky, almost rubber-like material that repels water very well. But I was surprised by just how thin and papery this bag's material actually is. It's made from a nylon fabric, and the inside seams are all tape sealed, so this means that the water won't actually seep in through the seams, and it will actually repel water quite well. The bag has a very simple design. It's just a big main compartment with a roll top closure, and as you can see printed on the front, it's just that you roll the bag 3 times before you clip it shut for the most secure waterproof seal. The outside does have an adjustable elastic band for storing larger items like a jacket, a tripod, or even a water bottle, as you can see here. I'm not a huge fan of roll top closure bags, but I know they are popular amongst hikers who go places where there is a lot of rain or water. The straps on the bag are quite thin, although they are fairly comfortable depending on the weight of what you carry in your bag. I decided to test to see just how much I could fit in this 20-litre capacity bag, and I was able to fit my 1-litre water bottle, a tech pouch, packing cube with some clothes, and a camera cube with my lenses and stuff inside. And you can see there's still plenty of room for some more stuff that you can squeeze in down the sides. There is no internal pocket organization, so you'll be just sort of stuffing stuff down into the sack. The bag is mainly designed for ultralight hikers or people who want a 20-litre backpack in their main pack for those situations where it might be useful. The bag comes in at a price of 14 US dollars, which is about 20 Australian dollars or 8 Great British pounds. It's a great value bag, especially if you're a fan of the roll top closure bags and you are looking for something that is highly water resistant. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about this bag, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.